In this video, we're learning about octaves. Before we discuss octaves, let's quickly recap what intervals are. When we talk about intervals in music, we just mean the distance between two notes. And an octave is an interval of 8 notes. Because we only use 7 letters in music before going back to A, two notes which are an octave apart share the same letter name. While they have the same letter name, both notes will be different in pitch, with one sounding lower and the other being higher. For example, our first note here is on the bottom space, which means that it's an F, and our second note is on the top line, meaning it's also an F. You may have already noticed that the second note is visually higher on the stave. This shows us that this note will be higher in pitch than the first. Let's have a look at this on the keyboard. In this example, we have two E notes which are an octave apart, one on the bottom line and one on the top space. Again, even though they share the same letter name, they are different in pitch, like this. We now have an understanding that an octave is an interval of 8 notes. By the end of this task, you'll be able to identify an octave by sight when it appears in a piece of music. Now it's time to test your knowledge about octaves by using your thinking skills, musical literacy skills, and numeracy skills to complete the questions below.